Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be more entries, and let's get to it so that the video is not so long. You guys, I cannot stand uploading 20-30 minute videos. It bothers me so much. I just feel like no one wants to sit through that so long. If you guys enjoy it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I personally don't like really long videos, but let's get into this. I have unboxed some of this stuff just because there's so many boxes in my craft room that they're just giving me high anxiety. But before we get into this entry, I wanted to show you guys this one because I posted her entry a few videos ago. This is from SoCal Crafts, and she had forgotten her tag flip, so she sent it in this cute little box. She left it on the desk. She's so funny. She's like, I mailed everything out and I totally forgot to send you the tag flip, which has happened to me so many times, you guys. You know how many times I've sent out swaps and leave like the main stuff on my desk and just ship out like the little stuff? That's too funny. I want to save this little box because I love what she did, and this is like a perfect little box to like use to re-gift. I'm gonna move this, all this little iridescent yumminess. So she sent me a cute little card just letting me know that that was the tag flip that she forgot to send, and we're gonna go through it. And look how cute, you guys. Instead of like a ribbon tassel, she did beads, which is super cute. And then she's got this cute little mint green tassel, and this says hello lovely, and it's a cute little rosette, a little pink bow. I love these little tiny like tag flips. They're so cute. She used confetti. She did a little heart one. She also used that cake little chipboard piece that I told you guys is my favorite from the confetti collection. I'll just take off these little bits. How cute is that? I love her little layering, the little gemmies. She put the little vellum one. It says happy. I love how she did that here. It's super cute. Looks so delicate. I love it. Oops. We are going to fix that. I'm going to add. I just wanted to take off right there. She's got a little glue dot there. So cute. And then this one says just for you. Happy birthday. Look at that bow. I ordered, you guys, I've been waiting forever for my AliExpress orders, and I'm like having no luck. Everything is taking forever. And I ordered some bows that look like that, and they're not here yet. And I want to play with them. Look how cute. Happy birthday. Happy, happy day. We are very special. We are on a very special journey called life. Oh, I like this. And this is stitched, you guys. That's cute. Did you do that? That is cool. This one says happy hooray, and it's the little camera. Oh, look at this one. Let me take these off here. I get all in the little. There you go. Oh, I like that tag. That tag is really cool. It says inventory. And then it just has a bunch of tickets layered and the little happy birthday balloon. Super cute. And it says a gift for you from Sarah. That is her name. She's SoCal Crafts. I'm going to have her link down below. Thank you so much, Sarah. It is totally fine, girly. It happens to the best of us. So I'm going to move all this because I love your little box decorated with all this super cute confetti, and I'm definitely going to be reusing it. Do you guys do that? Reuse your packaging? I love it. Some of you guys sent some really cool boxes, and I definitely have to reuse them. So I'm going to put that over here. Save her little card for her little tag flip right there. Move this box right over here. And we're going to move on to this entry. And there's a cute little card here. Oh, look at this. This is Pink Paisley Confetti Wishes, right? I think it is. How cute. Happy birthday. I love that you guys left these cards blank and I could totally reuse them. I've been like bagging them up with the little clear adhesive bags and saving them. So we have her tag flip. You see what I mean? Look at these cute boxes that you guys have been sending. And look at this one. So cute. I love this. So let's see who this one is from. Ooh, this is the one with the cool eyes. Me and wifey were looking at this. Look at these cool beads that she sent. Is that not super fun? So I moved that all to the bottom. And there's this cute little acetate card that says Love Life. And keep that in there. And then here's her tag flip. She's got this cute little tassel. And then she put a little mini tassel right here with some twine, some ribbon, pretty colors. Oops. Okay. And look, you guys, it says hip hip hooray. Love these candles. I actually ordered that die. Waiting on that as well. So cute. It's like super cute. Look at this cake, you guys. And she glittered it up. I think that's the one from the Hooray collection. That's cute. Looks super glossy. And then we have this one. And it says cheers. And it has this super cute little flower. Happy birthday. This is from Hooray. This one says Simply You. And it's like a cute little frame. And it's like layered and textured from the chipboard. And then look at this one. It says Hooray. Ooh, and she gifted me some clips. Look how cute. Little birthday clips. So cute. I'm going to leave the tag flip out because you guys know I've been putting them on my... Actually, what I'm going to do to this is I'm going to punch a hole because I want to keep it with her tag flip. So I'm going to punch a hole right on the top and add it to her tag flip because I like it. Super cute. Wrong way. Right here. There you go. So I'm going to add that right there in the back. And that is her tag flip. I need to see a note or something of who this is from. I'm going to take out all the little gifts out of this fun box. I'm not going to take this one out because I don't want all the beads to fall everywhere. But look at her embellishment. It's a cute little rose. A rosette, not rose. And it has little macarons or macaroons right on top. So cute. And she put tons of the little beadings, but I don't want them to fly everywhere. And I'm trying to see, look at this little box, how cute it is. Is that not the cutest? I love these boxes that she sent, but I need to know who sent this. Is there like a note? I don't have a note. There has to be a note somewhere. Okay, if you are watching this video, I don't know if I misplaced your note, but comment down below so I can, of course, tag you on the bottom of my channel, on my description. But look, you guys, she sent me another little embellishment. Super cute. And then she sent me some gifts in these cute little treat bags. And in here, you guys, she literally sent me all the ephemera to the Hooray collection. Do you guys see that? This is a full ephemera pack. Thank you so much for that. That is amazing. I totally appreciate that. I love that collection so much. So definitely putting that in my little clear baggies. You guys know how I store my ephemera, and you guys know I love ephemera. That to me is like the best gift ever. And then in here, let's see what we have here. I love these gift bags. These are so cute. She wrapped this little gift up. Let's open it up. I'm so sad there's not like, ooh, what is this? You better work. Remove your mirror foam from the inside tray and peel. Oh, a little mirror for your iPhone. That is too cute. Oh, I love that. I don't want to blind you guys. I've never seen that. I love it. Thank you so much for that. Please comment down below. Let me know who sent this to me. I feel like because we opened it out of the box, I totally thought that I had a card. There probably is a card somewhere. But I want to save that little yay. So that is my other entry. Please comment down below. And put this one right here from Sarah. And then we have the next entry, which is from Lauren Cunningham. And let's see what she says. She sent me a little note here. Aw, there's no right or wrong, Lauren, to do a tag flip. Not at all. And this looks adorable, by the way. So this is from Lauren Cunningham. She will be linked down below as well. How cute is this little L blinged out? I love those. I can put those on my cart. That's her little note. And let me see here. This is her little birthday card. You guys know I love me my little minis. Look how cute. Happy birthday. And it has a little balloon. And look at the inside. It says, make a wish. This is adorable. I love this. I don't know. Everything looks better, like super tiny. I think it just looks super cute. And then she sent me some embellishments. And let me see what's in here. What are those? Are those like little stickies? Oh, look at her little rosette, you guys. Oh, she sent me like little stickers and they're a bunch of L's. That is so cute. Thank you for those, Lauren. I'm going to put those right here. And look at her rosette. Look at that little balloon. That is adorable. And I love music sheet papers. And then in here, she has a little, kind of like a little coin envelope. And she gifted me some goodies. So she sent me some, some like gold crepe paper trim. I want to put it in here. I don't want to lose it. Some enamel dots. I ran out of the pink ones. Definitely putting those aside so I can put those in my little box. I use pink all the time, you guys. So I always use pink enamel dots. Look at these cute little layered embellishments that she foamed up. I could use on my projects. Thank you so much for those, Lauren. And then she sent me some tiny, tiny little bows. Look how cute. And you guys, look at her tag flip. How adorable is this? Look at her cute little, it's kind of like wired. I've never seen this. This is so fun. I love how it just like sticks up like that. So cute. And look, it says, let's celebrate. So delicate. Look at this one. Oh, Lauren, you did good. And she said this is her first tag flip. But it's so cute. I love how tiny and delicate it looks. Happy birthday. Look at this little itty bitty shaker. So cute. And then look at this one. It's like a little page flag with a little balloon and a little butterfly. And look at this one. It says wish, throw confetti in the air. She did a little bit of gold thread. I love it. Lauren, you did amazing. Thank you so much for entering my challenge and all the extra goodies. Same as the other ladies who are in this entry video. Thank you so much for participating in my challenge. And that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.